Friends, John Moulton said that it is your mind is a place in itself, and it alone can make heaven of hell and hell of heaven. Hi friends. Friends, whatever thought patterns you have residing in your subconscious mind, that is, whatever thoughts are written in your subconscious mind, are the only thing which is responsible for where you are in life right now and what is the direction in which your life is going. So much so that it is responsible for the kind of health and body you have, for the kind of mind you have, for the ways you feel, for the kind of relations you have, for the kind of experiences you get in life, for what amount of money you have right now, and what is the rate of your success in life. Friends, I work to bring to you a healthy body, warm and welcoming relationships that stay lifelong. I also work to bring to you grand success, big results, and I also help to bring to you a very long life that has immense peace, calm, happiness, and a satisfaction that goes deep inside you. That is, I work to bring paradise in your life. I do this by subconscious re-imprinting and subconscious implanting and NLP. Yes, friends, this is a totally scientific process that is based on scientific researches, and it is proven and testified also. Friends, also in this kind of technique, I change thought patterns and bring to you a disease-free body, immense health, success, happiness, relationship, and along with this, I bring to you freedom from any kind of bad emotions or anxiety or depression. And I also bring freedom to you from any past hurts, past painful memories, or any worries you are having in present or any worries of future. All freedom from this and happiness, health, success, and great relationships. Also, friends, one beautiful thing about this technique is that I do not need to know any details of any personal issue you are having. Yes, friends, you do not need to share with me the details of your personal issue. And also, it is you and only you who goes to the subconscious mind and sees what's in there. It is you who goes and deletes what is written wrongly there and what is bad for you. It is you who go there and write good things on what you have deleted. And also it is you only who goes to your subconscious mind and implants new things that are good for you. I only work to make you go there and write those things. So it is you who is accessing your subconscious mind, not me. I am just helping you in accessing your subconscious mind, in deleting what is bad there, in rewriting on top of it what is good for you, and also in writing some new things there that are good for you. Friends, other than this, I would also like to tell you that in my work, when I do it, I maintain total secrecy and confidentiality. If you want to, then if you share those things with me, they stay only with me and they do not go beyond me. Friends, my contact details are flashing on the screen. If you need wellness in your life, if you need to be happy in your life, if something about present circumstances or your present life is worrying you, if you have worries about your future, or if you had a past which is providing pain to you and not letting you have peace, success, health, and relationships, then please feel free to contact me I am always there for you, and I always want that you get happy life. And friends, I have a very strong belief that every person in this world has a lot of potential, and it is only for him to it is only up to him when he realizes it. And friends, you have reached this video. It means that it is time for you, because friends, you have waited really long enough now to achieve that potential. I want you to achieve that potential in you. I want you to grow in your life. Thank you, friends.